Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust auto velocity on CapCut. It is super simple to do. You are going to just select your video and you're going to select style, and then you are going to scroll until you find a video effect and you are going to select the auto velocity one. Wait for it to generate first, and then you're going to select adjust, and here's where you can adjust the interval between two beats. So if you want the interval to be longer, you're going to slide it to the right, and if you want it to be shorter, you're going to slide it to the left. I'm just going to start with the 1 second mark. Just press that arrow and wait for it to generate again, and this is what it should look like. The intervals between the videos, I guess, will be longer because I did adjust it. As you can see, I guess the velocity will be longer as well. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!